Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I apologize in advance for my eyes being all watery. I just plucked my brows and as a result, I cannot get my eyes to stop tearing. Anyway, today we're going to be doing a full unboxing, reveal, and review of the Boxycharm Premium box for the month of September. I have already posted my Luxe unboxing, which I will link up above. And in the next couple days, I will be putting up my base unboxing as well. So if you want to jump into all of the items inside, do we find this variation be worth it? Is it worth the price? Make sure to keep on watching if that's something you're into. And don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the Premium Boxycharm box for September, stay tuned. Jumping right in, the theme is real life runway. I can't read. Strut your runway, which is going to be all about, it's your world, we're just living in it. Kind of cute, but a little dated, if you ask me. Like, this is something I would have expected a Boxycharm theme card to be like 2018, but we'll move on. First item out of the box is from Iconic London. This is the Desk to Dance eyeshadow palette, and I am going to open this for you. This retails for $62, and this is the perfect dance floor companion, no matter where you're headed. Featuring 20 new highly pigmented shades to suit every skin tone, it will leave you spoiled for choice. The velvety soft texture and selection of matte shimmers and glitters will make your eyes look pop from day to night. This is a Boxycharm exclusive. Now, I am going to put that right back in the box because I am not a fan of the Iconic London eyeshadow formula. We got a palette from them a while back, and it was chalky and powdery and did not blend well to the point where it's just not something that I am a fan of. I don't want to have to work to get my eyeshadow to work that well, and I want it to just work. And we've gotten some great palettes recently. You know, last month we got the Rare Beauty palette. We got the Violet Voss palette, both of which are amazing formulas that you don't have to work hard to make work. This month, we got a Natasha Denona palette in the base unboxing. Stunning colors, cannot wait to play with it, but that is a formula I am super familiar with and I already know and love, and it doesn't take a ton of work to make it look good. It is very effortless, very easy, and for me, those are some great palettes. The Iconic London is going to be a pass. Next from Glam Glow, I know this is a repeat product, but it's one I'm always happy to see. This is the Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser from the Super Mud collection. An advanced cleanser with a powerful blend of 3 charcoals to detoxify skin by removing pore-clogging debris, excess oil, and face makeup. Again, it retails for $32. I have gone through so many bottles of this product, and I still go back for more. It's one that I consistently find I like. Definitely a 10 out of 10 recommendation, especially if you have acne prone, breakout prone, or even just congested skin. And it also helps to mattify a bit if you find yourself getting excessively oily throughout the day. Next, from One Size by Patrick Starr, this is the Brow Kiki Micro Brow Defining Pencil. Mine is in the shade 04 Medium Brown. Retailing for $19, this 12-hour waterproof and smudge-proof retractable brow pencil has a sturdy precision tip for next-level detailing. Fill in the blanks with real hair-like strokes to amp up your brows for any kiki. Now, I have used this product, and I remember liking it, but not loving it. Either way, I will be doing an upcoming video in the next few days, trying all of this month's subscription box makeup in one go. And we're going to put it to the test again because I honestly don't remember why I didn't like it. Next from Elemis, this is the Superfood Fruit Vinegar Liquid Glow, retailing for $36, infused with glow-getting AHAs derived from apple cider vinegar, apricot, and peach. The gentle exfoliating formula reveals a radiant, smoother-looking complexion with improved clarity and texture. This refreshing toner removes every trace of visible pollution and helps minimize the appearance of pores. A natural prebiotic helps to support and maintain the skin's microbiome, whilst prickly pear cactus nourishes the skin with vitamin and antioxidant-rich nutrients. Mild enough for twice daily use, this glow-boosting toner leaves the skin feeling balanced and looking radiant. Retails for $36, and those who know me know what's going to happen with this. This is going right in the giveaway pile because we're going to try not to kill my husband, who is deathly allergic to apricot. So that's going right in the pass bin. Let's not kill Brandon. That would not be good for any of us. So we're just going to set that to the side and give it away. I will say, even though I will be passing on this based on the ingredients, Elemis is a brand that I've really come to love. Tons of great products in their line. I'm a really big fan of the Green Superfood collection. But again, an allergy for Brandon means I'm not using it because I'd rather not put him into anaphylactic shock. Next from the brand Benefit, this is the California Kissin' Color Balm. This is in the shade Poppy. This richly pigmented moisturizing lip balm provides up to 8 hours of smooth, luxurious color. The cushiony formula contains wild mango butter to help moisturize lips and hyaluronic acid to keep your lips feeling smooth, plumped, and hydrated all day. Retails for $21. I will say, I remember using this years ago and thinking it was nothing special, but the packaging is really cute. It's like a little flower blossom on the bottom. So something that I would definitely give to a friend of mine or, something like that, but not a product that I have really enjoyed based on the last time I used it, which was a while ago, I'll be honest. But if I'm going to use a tinted balm, I'm a big fan of the ones from Jouer. I'm a big fan of the ones from Beauty For Real. I really like the ones from Rare Beauty. I'm going to stick to those because I like them a little bit more. And the last item is the Dear Midnight Star-Crossed Eyeliner Duo. The Eyeliner Duo contains 2 creamy, long-wearing, intensely pigmented pencil eyeliners that are perfect for creating clean, precise lines for all-over use as an eyeshadow, retailing for $38. Now, I said this about a lip liner duo that came in the Luxe box, and I feel like it's nothing special. It's nothing we haven't received before. It's not a brand that really excites me. So I'm just going to pass on that because if I'm not excited, I'm not going to waste time by opening it. Especially, I don't use a ton of gel liners. And you'll notice the ones I do are all from the same brands. It is either Beauty For Real, Makeup Forever, and Urban Decay. I mean, there's a few more in there that I like maybe the color of. But Beauty For Real, Urban Decay, Makeup Forever are the 3 that I will continue to use over and over and over and over again. Now, all in this box at a retail value of $208 for a subscription price of $49.99. Plus, I know there's shipping and taxes, and if you're in Canada, there's a ton of extra costs. So let's say you spend between $50 and $60 on this. So far, I saw 2 products in this box that I really liked. The 2 products I was excited about. The Glam Glow Cleanser, which I really like, and the eyebrow pencil, which I'm eager to retry. Either way, combined, those bring you to just about $50. So when I look at whether or not a box is worth it, I like to think, did I get my money's worth? This was obviously sent to me in PR for reviewing purposes, so I didn't actually spend the money. But if I did, would I be okay with this? And the answer in this case is no. I really do like the cleanser, and I'm glad I got another one. But if I opened this box and I was spending $50+ on it, this just wouldn't do it for me. I think 1.5 products out of 6 isn't quite enough for me to be happy. I will say the Luxe box this month was 10 out of 10, and I was really happy with that. But just looking at this box, it's not for me. So as always, when I do make that analysis, it's would I rather take $50 and go to Ulta, Sephora, Target, Walmart, Amazon, wherever you buy your beauty products? And in this case, the answer is yes. I'd rather take $50 and throw it into something I know I love versus this collection of items I don't. As always, I would love to hear what you have to say. Please sound off down below in the comment section with your opinions, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!